Hello everyone, Anett here with you today with a fun whimsical layout for the July challenge that is all about using butterflies on your project. There are butterflies in the Happy Blooms collection, and Pinkfish recently released 2 awesome sets with butterflies. I will show you in a minute. For my layout, I will use both of them. These small butterflies are the most beautiful and cute ones I've ever seen. The set comes with a stamp, where you can stamp all the butterflies at once, and of course there is a die that cuts all of them at once. I just love this clever feature. And there is also a hot foil plate to full stamp them for extra shine. And don't forget the stencils for easy and quick ink blend coloring. The ones I use for my layout I created for the release day. They are leftovers. So good to have some to grab if I need some to a card or the layout. Butterflies are like bows to me. I could put a couple of them on all my projects. The big butterfly is another favorite of mine. I heat embossed it with white powder and I colored it with watercolor on watercolor paper. The big butterfly set comes with stamp, die and stencils for easy coloring. And Pinkfish also released a hot foil plate to the set. My idea is to use these cute photos of my children that I fussy cut like they would be flying holding by butterflies on a string. To this I need a sky and I need a ground as well. For the sky I am using the Cloud Builder stencil and the Pinkfish Premium inks. But first I create some kind of ground. I just tear some pattern paper, 2 stripes, and I glue them on another on the base of my layout with liquid glue. Now I am building the sky. I am using rainbow colors. And, well, it got quite girly at the end, and my son wasn't really happy with the result. But I said to him that he was just a little boy on this photo, and I think it fits well. He said okay at the end, but now I have to be more careful not to use as much pink when I'm scrapbooking with his photos. I am using light colors, so the background doesn't get too dominant. Whipping down the excess color from the stencil is important, so the inks don't mix if you don't want them mixing. I love these fluffy, colorful clouds so much. The big butterfly holds my daughter, and many little ones fly away with my little son. I fussy cut the blue flowers from the ephemera, and I built a meadow with flowers on the ground. I use foam tape, and I also bent up the edges for more dimension. While I was scrapbooking, my 10-year-old son practiced drawing, and I had to admire his art. I'm so happy that he finds joy in drawing. Now back to my project. I needed white clouds over the rainbow ones, so I just scribbled some and fussy cut. I adhere them with foam tape, of course. I shot the photos years ago for another project, and I love them so much I just had to use them again. I draw a light line following the flight of the butterflies. This will help me when I'm hand stitching along these lines with white floss. Well, the layout is almost ready. I adhere the butterflies along the stitching. I love the dynamic and the movement of the photos and the flying butterflies. I am adding some faux stitching with a back pen on the clouds. I think this adds even more storybook feel to the layout. My comment goes under the title, but before writing it I bent up the flower ephemera for more dimension. I really hope you like this idea. The Pinkfish products are so fun to play with. The quality is amazing and I love how innovative they are. Come and join the challenge. I would love to see your layout using butterflies. All products are listed below with affiliate links if you want to support me with no extra costs for you. See you soon in my next video tutorial. Bye bye!